I mean, I think we do that now the 5th year. And while the banking industry in general is somehow restructured and lots of European banks do better than ever before, Deutsche Bank is trading on all-time lows. Nothing will happen today. I mean, you see and hear all the retail investors who don't like the situation. They lose their own private money. Deutsche Bank will, of course, say that they will restructure, that they're aware of the situation. They talk about investment banking and all this blah, blah, blah. I can't say it better than blah, 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 because we hear that since 5 years. And since then, other than the floating of DGWS, Deutsche Bank has done no single really important and deep management decision, restructuring, whatever. They are still sit and wait and hope. And I have very good eyes and ears into the bank. It's more administration in these days than an operating banking business.
Let's talk about the major shareholders, because there were some major shareholders voicing their concern about the role Paul Achleitner, the head of the supervisory board, is playing. Do you think there's enough pressure to actually oust him?
I mean, we forced this since 2 or 3 years, but we don't have pressure and power in the bank, of course. I am in closer touch to one of these shareholders who mentioned these the last couple of days, and I think that this is his last annual shareholder meeting, because it's one of the last solutions they have. I mean, the stock price will fall further. They don't have the power to come back where they want to be with their own strengths. After the Commerzbank merger failed, they need a partner. They don't get one as long as all these clouds are above them. And it's the same thing as in a soccer team. At some point, the head has to leave, and it's time to leave for Mr. Achleitner. Yes, it will happen.
If you're saying the stock is falling further and further, we are seeing that, and we're witnessing that almost every week. But what can happen? Like, I mean, there are drastic changes ahead, I guess.
Deutsche Bank needs to say goodbye to the goals they may have. They will never come back in a position, they will never become a global leader again. They should concentrate on a role that they had before they tried to go global. One of the leading European banks, I mean, they are still the biggest bank in one of the most important industrial countries in the world. We shouldn't forget that. But on these levels, they need fresh money. Dilution will be heavy on these levels. They need partners. I think we will have a new mergers role in the next couple of years here in Europe, because at the end of the day, all the banks are the same. Some are blue, some are yellow, some are red, some are Swiss, some are French, some are German. The products behind it are all the same. There is huge cost-cutting potential, especially on the middle and back office side. Deutsche Bank needs to try, but has to try to be one of the leaders of that direction and not one of the victims. Otherwise, only the name remains.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.